Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ken, also known as MrKenDenis. So, in today's video, I have partnered up with BYS to bring you guys this glitter eyeshadow look. Alright, so let's get started. So I've already applied my eyeshadow base and now I'm going to set it with this powder. This one is the banana powder. Now I like setting my eyeshadow primers with a face powder or translucent, any sort of powder really. Just I feel that the eyeshadows blend a lot better when I use something like this underneath. Now today's look is going to be a wearable, glamorous, sparkling eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start off with this eyeshadow palette. By taking a large fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm going to start off first with the shade Lavish and I'm going to use that as a transition color. Taking a narrower blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade Enticing, which is that medium brown shade. Okay, so that's definitely added some depth, but I'm looking for a lot more smokiness, a lot more depth, a lot more darkness in this eyeshadow look. So I'm going to move on to the Berries palette. So I'm just going to be grabbing that dark chocolatey brown shade at the very end, and I'm just going to pop that into the socket. So pretty much the same. I just needed a little bit more smokiness, and yes, that's definitely doing the trick. Right now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend those colors together. Don't want too much of a harsh line. And I also want some of that peachy shade to kind of like peek through still. Okay, now it's time to add some glitter to this look. So I'm going to be grabbing this product from BYS, and this one is the Glitter Face and Body Kit, and this one is in Rose Gold. So this kit contains glitter for the face and also the body, and also glitter glue, so that's really convenient. So you can obviously use the face one for the body or face, vice versa. It's really up to you what you think about the look. So today's going to be a wearable glitter look, so I'm going to be using this one, the finely milled one. Okay, so I'm just going to grab the glitter glue, and I'm also going to be using a smaller synthetic brush. Now I do suggest using a synthetic brush because if you use like animal hair or something like this, chances are you're going to ruin the fibers, and we don't want that. Whereas with a synthetic one, obviously they just wash off. So I'm just going to use the pressed powder as a bit of a palette because I can just easily wipe that. I'm just going to use a synthetic brush again, just really concentrating this on the actual lid. Now with this product, you're going to have to wait for it to slightly dry, go a little bit tacky, and you can just use the same brush you just used, dip it into the pot of glitter, and then start packing it on. Girl, just look at that high shine that you get from this glitter. Stunning, stunning. Now to blend that a little bit further, I'm just going to do a winged eye. Okay, the wings are on and I can see the glitter's already falling on my face. Anyway, we are going to apply some lashes. So I've got these ones from BYS again, and these ones are the Triple Luxe lashes. As you guys know, one of my favorite pairs of lashes of all time. So I'm just going to pop these on. Okay, so I also decided to do the rest of my face because I really just want to focus on the eyes for this one. So I went for just a natural toned blush, bit of bronzer, and with the blush I decided to bring it up to here to the temples. I've just been seeing a lot of Instagram looks where people have brought it up here, and it looks really cool. So I thought I would give that a shot today. Now we're going to move on to the lower lash line. Right, for the lower lash line, I thought I would go a little bit more colourful, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. This one is the Fantasy palette. So I'm just mixing Atlantis and Daydream, and I'm really just trying to focus it on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to be grabbing this palette here. This one is the Glitter Cream palette, and girl, some of the colours in here are just lit. I want it to be quite a deep blue, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. This one kind of reminds me of that inky navy blue colour, and I'm just going to concentrate it on the lash line itself. Okay, now I need a little bit of inner corner highlight, so I'm just going to be grabbing the highlight kit, and this one has a gorgeous selection of colors. If I can open this one up. I think for the inner corner I'm going to go for that pinky tone. I think that's just going to look gorgeous with this. I'm just going to pop it in there. Okay, now it's time to highlight the cheekbones, and again I'm going to be grabbing that pinky tone shade. And this time I do want a little bit of extra pop, so I'm going to grab a bit of a setting spray, wet my brush and start packing it on. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the lip colour. Now I feel that there's so much going on the eyes and on the cheeks. I think I went a little bit overboard with a highlighter, but that's just me. I love strong highlight. I think for the lips I'm going to go for something a little bit more toned down, something on the nude side. So I will be right back. Alright, the lipstick is now on. Now we're going to set the skin. Alright guys, there you guys go. I even curled my hair. I don't think the curls are looking the best, but you know, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. There you guys go. That is my take on a wearable glitter smoky eye look. Now, if you guys do not want too much glitter, I would say you can either just stick to the ones on the eyelids or on the lower lash line. Either or, it's still going to give you that sparkle, but it's still going to look a little bit more tamed. If however you guys are like me and you want a little bit more glitter, this is definitely going to be the one for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it from me guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me down in the comment box down below what else you guys would like to see in terms of glitter looks. I'd love to hear from you guys. I do feel like I want to experiment more with glitter because I rarely use it. I always go for just shimmer, and I think glitter is just so much fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!